Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to make bad audio sound better with AI without downloading any software and for absolutely free. Let's say you've got a really cheap microphone or no microphone whatsoever, but you want to enhance your audio experience. Then simply you need to go to our website called podcast.adobe.com. I'll be leaving this link in the description for you to check. So once you go to the website, you see a similar layout to this one. And under here, they're asking you to sign up, which is for absolutely free. So simply click here. Once you click sign up, you can also continue with your Google account. So simply click on Google in order to log in. And there you go. You can drag and drop files, or you can also upload files from this button here. So I'm just going to upload my bad audio file. Once that process finished, system is going to let you download the audio file. Now before I do that, I'm going to play these two audios. First audio I'm going to play which is not enhanced, and I'm going to play as raw audio.
Hello, this is the test of a bad audio, and you are listening a very cheap microphone.
Now I'm going to click on this enhance speech button and I'm going to replay the same audio.
Hello, this is the test of a bad audio, and you are listening a very cheap microphone.
Now if you see, there is a major difference between the older audio and the new enhanced audio. So now I'm going to simply click on this download button in order to download this enhanced audio. Now if you see here, file has been downloaded, and I'm going to simply play both of these audios again in order to check the results.
Hello, this is the test of a bad audio, and you are listening a very cheap microphone. Hello, this is the test of a bad audio, and you are listening a very cheap microphone.
Question of the day is, which software or tool do you use in order to make your bad audio sound better? Give this video a thumbs up if you think this has brought some value, or don't forget to watch these videos you may find useful. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.